Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to point GoDaddy domain to Hostinger hosting. So if you have purchased GoDaddy domain and if you wish to connect this domain to your Hostinger hosting, then this video is for you. So let's get started. So this is my domain registered with GoDaddy. First, go to hostinger.com and log in to your account. This way you can access Hostinger H panel. On the home page, you will find your hosting details and your hosted websites. Click on Manage button. On Dashboard page, click on Websites option from the left side panel. Now click on Add website. Now select your website type. You can choose from online store, blog, business, portfolio or other. Let's click on blog. Now if you are not sure, then click on other. Now click on skip create an empty website option. On the next screen, click on use an existing domain as we have already purchased a GoDaddy domain. Enter your domain name and click continue button. On the next screen, you will find name server details that we need to update on GoDaddy. These are existing name servers and here are new name servers. Now go to GoDaddy and next to your domain name, click on DNS option. Scroll down and you will find option for name servers. Now to change name servers, click on change button. On pop-up, click on enter my name servers advanced link. Now copy name servers from Hostinger one by one and paste it here on GoDaddy. Copy the first one and paste it here. Similarly, copy the second name servers and paste that here as well. Once done, click on save button. Now go to Hostinger account and click continue button. Note that it may take 24 to 48 hours for the name servers to be updated across the internet to align with your website's DNS information. So that is how you can point GoDaddy domain to Hostinger hosting. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.